great thing that I did when I decided that was that I shared that with my parents. And my dad, when I shared that with my parents, my dad sat me down at that same kitchen table where my mom made us do our homework. And he said, a ver, ¿que quieres ser astronauta? You want to be an astronaut? And I said, yes. He must have saw the determination in my eyes, because he said, I believe you can do it. He says, you just have to follow a simple recipe. And I'll share this recipe with you guys because I think it's so important. He said, 5 simple ingredients, he said. First, he says, decide what you want to be in life. What is it that Jose wants to be in life? I said, okay, I want to be an astronaut. That's easy. I'm halfway there, I figured. Second, he says, recognize where you're at right now, how far you are from that goal. I said, well, I'm a migrant farm worker kid, right? Pretty far. It's like, I'm glad you recognize that, son. Because the third step is very important. You draw yourself a roadmap from where you understand where you're at to where you understand where you want to go. And outline every step to get there, it says. And don't jump steps, because you can still get there, but you won't be as well prepared. So don't take shortcuts, was the moral of that story. Draw yourself a roadmap and don't take shortcuts. Fourth, he said, you're doing it right now. Get yourself a good education. Educate yourself. Get yourself a good education. I can't emphasize that. Fifth and final, he said, is that same work ethic you put out in the field picking cucumbers, so you put it in your books. And when you graduate college, you put it in your job. You work hard all the time, not just sometimes, all the time. It says you mix all that, Jose, and you could be whatever you want.